Welcome to Absolute, everybody. I'm Conrad. This is Jack.
Wow, things sure have changed.
You still remember the days we were flying around the country doing study clubs and seminars?
I sure do.
Actually, a good thing now because we can now host webinars for our customers.
Yeah, it's been great. Whether it's with you or your team or your referral base.
And, no honorarium required.
No, it's not about honorarium.
And if you have special questions on materials, workflows, this is the place for you.
We can pretty much cover all the topics, whether it's digital dentures, Conus, or new restorative materials or techniques.
Yeah, even if you want to know how to restore a hybrid more efficiently in as little as 2 or 3 appointments.
We can customize a webinar especially for you and your team.
You can contact us through absolutedentallab.com, Conrad at absolutedentalservices.com,
or Jack at absolutedentalservices.com.
We're all going to make it through this, and we're looking forward to speaking to you soon.
Stay safe and stay healthy.